whereabouts, 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 whereabouts.
When you don't know a place or an area someone is, what you say is that you don't know his or her whereabouts. Not whereabout. Be careful, not whereabout. This means that the word is one that normally have an S. Unfortunately, a lot of us do not handle it accordingly. Similar words are location, locality, and territory. Examples: A. Where do you live? B. I live in California. A. Whereabouts in California do you live? B. I live in San Francisco exactly. A. Whereabouts is your office? B. My office is at the end of this street. A. Whereabouts do you come from? B. I come from North California. If you want to improve your English, subscribe my English channel.